Hello, welcome, and today we are going to be introducing ourselves to Pixelab. Okay, once you enter Pixelab, the first thing it is going to show to you is actually this exactly. So let's get started. This is the default front for Pixelab. Actually, if you want to add a test, there is already a test listing, but if you want to add one, you press on this A down here, A here, you press on edit. If this one is not there, it's when we deleted this, and you want to add a test, you press on this plus to add a test. Okay, so we are going to bring it down here. Okay, to edit the test, it means you want to change what is in the test. Let me put something. Okay, the test is there. If you want to delete it, you press the delete, copy it to produce another one. You can move it from layers to layers, from the front layer to the back layer. Okay, we are still going to talk more about that. Why this position is used to the position, this one is used to move the object, the selected object or text, in inches or in a few inches, rather in a few pixels. This is pixel rather. Okay, this is 20 pixels. 20 pixels, as you can see, it is moving, and yeah, the more the number, the more it moves. Okay, but if you want to place it like in the middle at the top, you press on relative position here, relative position, to move it to this side, to that side, to the middle, to the center. Okay, if you believe that. Okay, apart from that, the text size is just used to increase the size and reduce the size of the text. Why the padding? I will have to do something here so that you can see the work of the padding. Okay, the padding is used to increase the border of the text. Okay, this is the left padding, that is the left border, and this is the right one. Okay, but we don't use this most of the time actually. Okay, the color is just to change the color, just simple to change the color of the text. Why the texture? Here in the texture you can change the way the object, remember please, anything I'm saying here, it's applicable to both picture and text, but the texture is used to change the color to something to a color you have in your picture. If you have a picture with a very good background or a very good color, you can just store it here, but I won't be doing that now. Okay, then the opacity, to talk about the transparency, it is the same thing as transparency. Canva, it actually means the same thing. Okay, and the rotate is to rotate it. You can actually rotate it without using this, but I think this is better. This will give you the angle. You can rotate it with your hand, but I think this is better. Okay, and you can use the mask. You are not using the mask yet. Most of the time the mask is used to create something entirely. And the font, the font, we all know the font. Okay, the style, just almost the same thing with Canva. This is to make it bolder, this is to make it an Italian, and this is to put what's it called, the underline, and this is to cancel everything you add from it. And one funny thing is you can actually select a few parts of the text on like Canva to perform the action. Like here I only select the gold, so if I bold it, only the gold will be bold, and only the gold will be retired, only the gold will be line will be outlined here. So I hope that is understood. This one, the selection, is work for everything under the text. Okay, the background, It's just like unlike Canva where you have to go and carry what's it called, a rectangle to fill up a text. Here you only have to just press the background so that it gives it a background, and you can change the color to anything. You can increase the padding, the border or the padding, whatever you call it. Okay, and top padding. Just look around that. The alignment is useful if you have more than a text, and the spacing. This is letter spacing. Okay, and the line spacing is useful if you have more than a text, just like the alignment. It's only useful when you have more than a text. Okay, for the stroke is to hide something like a glitch to it, but the funny part is you can actually change the color. It is not like Canva here. Let's remove the background so that we can see. Okay, we've enabled it. Okay, that's the work of the stroke. And the inner shadow is just to add a shadow to the inner part. Okay, let's put black. Add the shadow already. Okay, the emboss is to give it a feeling of let's just make it okay, this feeling, and this triangle is to change where it is the emboss will be shining on, like just to give it a feeling of not being a text and being modeled or something. Okay, the perspective, we are not going to be using the perspective. It is used to trace up something, but we are not going to be using it here. Okay, the 3D rotate is actually to rotate it in another manner entirely, the x-axis. Okay, can make it go like this, can make it rotate like this. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, the 3D text is to make it into 3D. Good. You can increase it, you can change all the settings there, and you can decrease it here, you can change it back. Okay, let's disable this, let's disable this. I don't like that. Okay, the 3D shadow is to give you the shadow taste without working yourself hard. Okay, click back on it, do the shadow. Apart from the shadow, we have the reflection to produce a reflection of it. Okay, I think this is all over here. And the next one is for an object. As you can see, you can add a sticker with this. You can add a sticker with this. The third button here, you can use it to add a sticker. You can use it to add anything. We are not going to be doing that. And you can use it to draw. Okay. Okay, that's a drawing. That's a drawing. Okay. And you can use it to import from your gallery, like to bring in the picture from your gallery to the to the design space. Okay, I think I should have a picture. Yes, I should have a picture that is useful for this. This is a PNG picture. Okay, yeah, let's talk about this briefly. You can change the frame of the picture, like the shape of the picture, the size rather, 16/19, 4/3. This is just for the size. Okay, and if you don't want it, you can leave it like this. Okay, let's go. This is the picture. So we are going to be working with this over here. Yeah, we are going to be using this, but if I don't select this, you can use Bezier to create new logos. You can use the Bezier to create just anything. In Pixelab, yeah, you can use the Bezier. I'm not going to be doing that right now. That's still a very long story. And the arrow to create a line or something that is related to that. Okay. Shapes to bring in shapes like rectangle, circle, semicircle, arrow, love, and anything under here. Okay. Okay. Let's go on with this. So If you select an object, this is all it will bring for you. You can crop it. The same thing with what is it called? Anything under here you can copy. You can select, you can copy it to reproduce another one. Okay. You can use the Pixelab to cut it out. Okay. So I'm not ready for that. You can take it to front and to back, and the position just the same thing as it does the other time. Position moves with a bit depending on the number that is there. Okay, let me see the relative size. Yeah, exactly, the relative size is talking about the size of the object, of the image in relative to the size that you are using. Okay, color, you can change this to a color. Very funny. What is it? What's the name? Pixelab is funny. It can allow you to change this to a color. Enable. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? That is a human being. It's now a color. Wow. And you can just put in a new texture if you don't want the human being. It will be like a color, and the color will be the texture of whatever you brought in there. Okay, let's go to downloads again and let's see. Show a picture worthy being a texture. I should. Okay. I'm seeing if I do. Okay, let's see. I just want you to have a feeling of what the texture will do. Okay. Oh, can you see that? Can enable the main ratio, it to be in the main ratio. Then, as you can see, this is the work of the texture. Okay. Where's the texture? Okay, and this is okay. Let's see. Opacity, everything, color filters, just to edit the picture. This is just to edit the picture. Okay, erase that to erase the part of the picture, and you can erase the color here. Just pick the color, enable, and pick a color. To pick a color, you press on this. To pick a color, you press on this, and any color you pick will be erased totally. Let's pick a color. Okay, the color has been erased though, even though you don't notice it. Okay, rotate, you can rotate the picture, just the same thing with that one. You can change it to a 3D, and you can emboss it to okay, let's talk about this. This is used for the background. This to make the background actually to give it a background with no to make it a BNG rather, to remove the background totally. This is for color background. You want a color background, and this to add an image as a background, or you can use your gallery. Or image here does not mean from your gallery, it means an image in Pixelab. Okay, everything you can add here, you can actually do it with this plus here. You can add a text from here, a current date, a sticker, a shape from gallery, or you draw here. Okay, this is to move something, is to either copy an object or a text, move it, rotate it. This is just for an easy exit of anything on Pixelab. This is to save whatever you have done here. You can save it as an image, and you can save it as a project. Saving as a project means it will still be a Pixelab, and you can edit it anytime. You can make any addition to it anytime you come back, and you can share it with this share button. This is for code on Pixelab, and this will give you a whole number of options. Can you add an image? You can use it to use your full screen. You can use it for, as you can see, that's the full screen. Okay, you can use it to use an image from your camera, export image, and change. I think the most useful part of this is you can change the size of the image. Like here, you can change the size of the design template that you are doing. It is still in the Instagram. It is still The size is still Instagram post, so you can change it to something. Profile picture, this is almost the same thing. Facebook cover art, okay. As you can see, the size has been changed. Although the picture size, like the image size we brought in, has not been changed. Okay, you can return our action. Okay, and here is to talk about layers. We are still going to talk more about that, and this is what's it called? This is used to rule your graphics, to give it an alignment, to make it align. This is a ruler, and this is used to zoom it out and zoom it back in. Okay, good. Let's see what other thing can we do. This is to add rotate, brightness, or whatever to the design. Okay, let me use this opportunity to talk about the difference between Canva and Pixelab. Okay, Canva use data. Everything we've been doing on Canva, trust me, someone's data is going on for whatever you are doing on Canva. The more the time you spend on Canva, the more the data you use on Canva. Okay, and this one does not. Pixelab does not use your Canva and your data at all. Okay, you can produce just anything from here. You can produce just anything from there. There is a pro version of Pixelab then is a modded version. They don't ask you to pay or pay, but Canva asks you to pay for a pro version. In Canva, you have all elements. You have almost everything you need to design. Most of them for free. The big ones, like the most useful one for actually the pro users alone. For I can teach you a way you can get that without even paying and without using any Mago. I know some people will hack the account or whatever. No, I don't do that. I don't know how to do it. Okay. Another thing is this can, if you are using free in Canva, you cannot download something without background, and here you can do it. Canva does not have 3D while Pixelab has it, and you cannot do an embossed logo or a 3D logo on Canva, or you can do it here. Although you can make your logo in Canva, come here, remove the background, and remove and emboss it, or what's it called, and put it in 3D. You can still do that. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching through me. If you have learned anything in this, please put down your comments, like and subscribe to this channel. I love you. Bye.